Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade V40S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and look for Privacy section. When you find it, click on it. Then you need to select Permission Manager over here and tap on one of your device's features, like Calendar. Then tap on one of your apps, like Booking.com, and choose one of those options. Allow or don't allow. I will go with allow, so when I go back, as you can see, Booking.com just gained access to my device's calendar. But you can always just tap on any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. Like I will go into a location to find Maps app. Now scroll all the way down and click on See All Maps Permissions instead, and then adjust all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!